All right, let's have a look at the protected string name and the protected void say hi. The field is in line 4 and the method on line 7. As you can see, there's one related problem. But we can access it from within the same package. So if we move over to the main class, we can see that there's no problem here. It's in the same package as the person, so we can just access the protected fields. But there's a problem in the more access modifier package. Here is the app. And I told you that it's accessible from within the same class and in subclasses. So let's make app a subclass of person, and this is not going to solve the problem. Don't worry too much about this whole subclass thing. I'm just saying that it's going to have all the properties and methods that person has too. But as you can see, it's still not accessible right now. So what we mean with accessible in a child class, an app is now a child class, is that it can use the fields as if they were its own. So let's say I'm going to have another method in here, just let's say it's called greeting. And in this greeting, I can access the say hi methods and I can access the name attribute. What I cannot do, I cannot access the protected fields on objects that are not its own object. This is a bit complicated and it might actually make more sense after the next video. So for now, just remember that protected means it's accessible from within the same package, just like what we're used to, and it's accessible in subclasses as if it were its own members. In the next video, we're going to talk about another modifier, the static modifier. It's not an access modifier, but it's a very important modifier for Java.